guys, this is Crafty Cat. Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. We are here with a brand new PR unboxing from BeeBeeCraft.com. We still have a lot to get through in this bag. I am super excited to be bringing this to you. This is a new company to me and I'm really having fun unboxing. I hope you are too. Ooh. So let's look inside. And let's see what is next. It looks like a diamond painting. So, oh, it looks like a partial drill diamond painting. I did not realize this was a partial drill when I ordered it. But that's okay. Sometimes it's nice to get a break and do a little partial drill. Especially when you're doing bigger diamond paintings. They work up fast. So let's see. It looks like we have two of the same partial drill diamond painting, which means I can gift one to someone. So there are two of them. This one is already partially open, so we're going to open this one up because the bag is broken, and I can save the other one as a gift, probably for my friend Lori. And maybe my friend Albert. Albert likes diamond painting. So, yeah, this bag is broken. I'm just going to have to rip it off. It's stuck. It was stuck on the sheet that covers it. So anyway, let me just quickly take out the diamonds. Ooh. All right. So, oh my gosh, this is a mess. Let me try to fix this up. Okay, guys, so I am back. I have it set up on my stand, so on my light pad, so you could see it a little bit better. It's very badly wrinkled, this one. This one doesn't seem to be as bad, but the bag on the first one was broken, so I think that was the issue right there. But anyway, you can see this is a really pretty partial drill of a kitty cat, and the cat part is not diamond painted, only the roses are. So once this is laying flat for a while, I think that will be really pretty. This is just a very simple one. It's a nice size. I think this is like a 30 by 40, but it looks even a little bit bigger than a typical 30 by 40. Maybe it just seems a little bit bigger because I've been doing 30 by 30s. I'm not sure. But anyway, you can see the company name at the top. It's Nayu Diamond Paint. You can see the number is 6333. And there are only 8 colors. And it is, it's got a clear drill field. It's just very simple, but the colors on the background that are not diamond painting are very nice. Now, I did not know that this was a partial drill. I probably wouldn't have gotten it if I would have realized it was a partial drill. But like I said, sometimes it's fun to do a partial drill when you're busy. You just want to do something and get it done fast. So yeah, I wish it would have been a full drill, but the cat probably wouldn't have been as cute if it was a full drill. So there are only 8 colors, and these drills don't look like my normal drills, like the drills I have from Found Cells and stuff. So let's take a look. This would be a nice beginner painting, a nice beginner diamond painting. So let's check out the drills. I think it might just be hard to see because the bags have a pattern on them. So it's hard to see the drills underneath, but can you see them? They're very pretty colors. But they don't seem as faceted as the ones I have from other companies. But like I said, it might just be hard for me to tell because of the pattern on the bag. I won't know till I do these. But I do love the colors. They're just really beautiful. I just really, really love these colors. So pretty. These colors make me happy, you guys. They're so nice. And they have a nice shine to them. I don't know if my camera's picking it up. Yeah, I think the only reason they look different to me is because the bag is patterned, that's all. They're very lovely. Well, definitely, I'll have to let this lie flat for quite a bit. But after it's flat, we'll definitely do this together on the channel. I'm looking forward to doing that. And it comes with the regular kit with a green boat, red wax, pink pen. You guys know how much I love cats and flowers. That's a beautiful little kitten. Yeah, I think this will be something really lovely to do together. And we get 2 of them. So one will be a gift for one of my friends. And let's go over to the website. I'm just going to click on that so I could tell you about it. All right, it says this is the Honey Handy DIY diamond painting canvas for kids with resin rhinestones, diamond sticky pen, tray plate, glue clay, cat with flower, mixed colors, 40 by 30 centimeters. And it was $6.59 for 2 of them. Now, I did not notice when I ordered that there were 2 in a set. I thought I was just getting 1. So that is a real bonus. And that's $6.59 American, you guys. So that's pretty cool. It's a really good price as well. I mean, that's a great price. And I'm looking forward to doing this. I think it's just really pretty. And it's really fun to do something that's just quick. So yeah, I'm looking forward to doing this. Thank you so much, BeeBeeCraft. It's absolutely beautiful. The kitten is gorgeous. This will be a lot of fun to do with you guys. And you know what? These would be fun if you ever, you know how sometimes you have the scrapbooks that are pretty big, are like the sketchbooks just from the dollar store or something. They're big sketchbooks. You could even cut that off and glue it on and use it as the front of a sketchbook, and it would be pretty. You know, or a scrapbook. I think that would be nice. Anyway, I'm just babbling, so we'll stop here. I hope you liked it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that like button. Hit the subscribe. Hit the notification bell. All of those good things that help me as a channel. And most importantly of all, you guys, take care, stay safe, and happy crafting. Oh, and also, if you're interested in this, you can get or anything on their website. You can use CAT10 for 10% off. I'll have all that information below. And if you also would like to do a collaboration with BeeBeeCraft and you have a YouTube channel with at least 100 subscribers or more, you can contact them and I will put the info below. But do your research into the company first and see if that is something you would like to do. Because this is my first time working with this company. They seem great. They were very polite when they contacted me. Everything came great. But I don't know enough to recommend that you do that because, like I said, this is my first time. But for me, it's been great. I'm really enjoying doing it. And they seem like very nice people. All right, you guys. So take care and stay safe. Bye for now.